Hi everybody, I'm Kelsey Valent. I'm the Hall Ambassador of Offenhauer Towers, and this is it. So over this way you'll have the mailboxes. So these are the mailboxes for East, and then over on the other side is the mailboxes for West. And then over this way there's different games, so you can play ping pong, pool, foosball, there's air hockey. You can get all that supplies at the front desk. And then behind me is Outtakes, which you can use your BG1 card there to get like groceries, milk, pop, food, anything else. So this is the computer lab, and you have to use your ped to get in. So there's plenty of Microsoft Windows computers, and then there's one Mac back there, and then there's a printer right here. You have to swipe your ID to pay to print, but that's about it. And then of course these are the elevators for East. And then this is the kitchen. You have to get the ped at the front desk and check it out in order to get in, but you can rent pots, pans, anything else from the front desk, and you can make a meal for your friends or anything else you want to do. So you have to, once again, use your ped to get into the laundry room. So then there's laundries all around the edges, and then over this way are the dryers. Laundry is free for all students, but you do have to pay to print. So a little plus or minus, but laundry is free. So on the BGSU app, you can go to laundry, and then you can see which ones are open, which ones are currently in use. Sometimes it's not always accurate because students like to leave their laundry or stuff in the dryer, so you just kind of have to check and see what's open, but the app is very helpful to tell if laundry is open. Pretty much on all floors right off the bat, you can go into a lounge, which has space to do your homework. There's plenty of places to sit, there's a TV, so it's a great place to come and study with your friends. So Offenhauer is it's single, double, and triple rooms, but majority of it is double rooms with community bathrooms. So you'll have half the floor will be girls, the other half will be guys, and so there'll be a bathroom for each. On each of the floors, there's about 2 to 3 lounges. So of course you have the one right off the elevator, but then there's another. This is my room. First things first, everything that's wooden in the room is provided by BG. So the wardrobes, the dresser, the bed frame, and the bed with the mattress, the desk, the chair, and so you got like 3 different drawers here that you can put stuff in. You got a nice open area. And then even though there's a computer lab downstairs where you can pay to print, I still brought my own printer, so I didn't have to pay to print. The beds are loftable. I chose not to loft my bed because I don't like to climb up into bed. Even though this is the biggest room on campus, it's kind of tight for space, and I'm kind of a pack rat. I like to bring a lot, so make sure you bring some pictures so you can remember your friends and family. And then the wardrobes are pretty big, so as you can see, I fit a ton of clothes in here. So I just put some shoes in there. Another thing that I found when I was searching for stuff for my dorm was this contraption. So like you can make it long ways, you can make it tall, you can make it cubed. So it's just a great place to put stuff. I'm Kelsey Valent, the Hall Ambassador of Offenhauer Towers. Thanks for stopping by.